CES 2019 brought to you by Corsair, and that actually is where we are right now, at Corsair. So we're going to talk about some of the products that has helped get us to CES 2019. And we're going to start with peripherals. Yeah, I said it right. Peripherals, not peripherals. Peripherals are one of those things we haven't really talked about much on this channel because they're a 100% subjective lifestyle choice. I mean, that's kind of how we classify peripherals. They're lifestyle. You interact with the mouse, the keyboard, headsets, sound cards, speakers. And it's really hard to kind of convey products and make it relatable to the audience because you can't feel it, you can't deal with any of that. But there's some new tech that Corsair is showing that's going to be coming later this year called Slipstream, which is their new communication interface. Now, esports gamers have, of course, just cursed wireless because of the latency and input lag and just the connectivity dropouts when you have other wireless devices. You go to a LAN party with a wireless mouse, if it works, you're lucky, because with all the wireless devices, they're stomping on top of each other, not enough bandwidth in terms of the spectrum, and it's just, you can hear a lot of blah, 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 it doesn't work well. Well, that's all changing with Slipstream. Corsair has invested a ton of time and money in developing this particular protocol because the best analogy that they could give us is they are sending out packets down multiple lanes of communication, and they are it's like a freeway with traffic, and they got various cars going different routes to get to the destination. So even if some of those packets get lost or get stomped on, some of it's going to get to its destination. Now, it's got a lot more functionality than just that. That's very high level sort of description on that, but it's increased range. You have wireless headsets and microphones. Now, wireless and headset usually don't go together. I've had some wireless headsets in the past that had very decent audio in terms of listening and fidelity, but then as soon as you talk, you sound like this, and it's so compressed because of the encoder that has to bring it down to a bitrate level that can communicate wirelessly. And it was using the exact same communication string that was happening with the audio. Well, now they've got headsets that are coming out later this year that are going to utilize Slipstream and have basically dual lanes of communication with the system, so the headset, microphone, and the audio are independent of each other using the same technology I just talked about, which is allowing for a much cleaner, clearer, higher fidelity microphone. So what we've got right here, this is the Harpoon RGB mouse right here utilizing Slipstream. And the reason why they sort of showed it on this mouse first is they want it to be affordable to the masses. So this is their low-end mouse that's utilizing this new technology that people are expecting to be expensive. I don't know what the price point was, but I want to say they said something like 50 bucks, 60 bucks, something like that. This mouse is actually connected to that computer way over there. Yeah, that guy, way over there, with other wireless devices going in this room. Obviously, we'll all have our phones and stuff, different spectrums, but they can still step on each other. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to play a little Battlefield 5 with this about 15 feet or so away from this system to see what the input lag is like and all of that. So this is actually the Last Tiger mission right here. So we decided to go to like something that's actual shooter so that you can see firsthand what it's like. And now we are at CES, obviously. This is not ideal for trade show or for wireless performance because we have what's called, trade show level interference. Everyone's using wireless mics. I'm on a wireless mic right now, obviously, and what I'm looking for here is any perceived lag or delay. That's obviously going to show up when you are dealing with wireless mice and gaming and shooters. So far I'm not feeling anything other than the bullets that are hitting me because I suck. Okay, we're gonna get serious. We're gonna get super serious on this one. Oh, ow, yes, they did. Ow, not cool. I'm not feeling anything that would make me feel like I couldn't play on this. Even here at a trade show with the computer 15 feet away. I mean, this is the least ideal condition that you would want to be in. And I think the important thing to remember is this is not even ready for prime time. This is super early on something that we're being told will be ready around Q3 that they're debuting on their entry-level mouse. I can tell you right now, that's actually pretty good. So I'm excited for this technology. Whether you're into wireless peripherals or not, just having this option to where you can get wired level performance, whether you're an esports level gamer or just a casual, you can tidy up your system at least, and it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. That's why they're debuting it on their entry-level mouse. Anyway, guys, that's just our look and talk about Slipstream. Keep an eye out for that later on this year. I guarantee we'll probably hear more about it at Computex, hopefully seeing some more devices, because it's also going to connect up to 3 devices with a single dongle. So you could potentially have your keyboard, your mouse, and your wireless headset, one dongle. It's all going to do the frequency searching or spectrum search all on its own to find the clearest, best channel. And it's going to be, in my opinion, something great to look forward to because I want wireless again in my home system. All right, guys, once again, a huge thank you to Corsair for sending us to CES 2019. Check the link in the description below to find out more about their new Corsair One and Corsair One Pro gaming systems and desktop systems. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be like literally in a couple minutes.